And welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get candy corn in Blox fruits. And basically, if you want to know how to get candy corn, just make sure you guys watch the video to the end. But anyways, what you want to do is every time the hour is like, let's just say it's at 11 or 12, like basically when there's a new hour, of course in real life, what you want to do is you want to make your way over to these doors, and you want to be able to, or you're going to be able to trick or treat basically. So again, every time it's like, 11 to 12 to 1, every time, it's like a new hour, you want to go over to the doors and you will be able to trick or treat. Now, that is like the main way to actually get candy corn. There are some other things that you guys can do by making the candy corn potion, but you do need the recipe for that, so that is something. But if you don't want to go through that trouble, you can simply just make your way over to the doors every time. Like right now, for example, it's 11:35. When it's 12, if you go over to the doors, it will be, I will be able to trick or treat. And then also when it's 1 o'clock, when it's 2 o'clock, etc., until the event ends. So yeah, that is the fastest way to get candy corn and Blox fruits. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel and have a great day.